Hi viewers, warm welcome to JD Realtors YouTube channel. In this video, you are watching Alakia Palm Woods at Kajagoda project, and there is a flat for resale, west facing, 1665 SFT. This is complete 3 BHK and which is available in 5th floor out of 10 floors towers. And there are 3 blocks in Alakia Palm Woods and only 175 apartments, all are 3 BHK. And with a separate clubhouse, G plus 5 floors, and there is a swimming pool, rooftop swimming pool in the clubhouse, gym, yoga, meditation, snookers, indoor games, all are there, and off basketball court is there, tennis court is there. And yes, you are watching the elevation. This is front side road, 100 feet road you are watching, and just opposite this property there is a golf edge. You have a golf view from this flat balcony. This flat is available in C block. Interested buyers, please call on below number to visit this property and for more details regarding the price and all. Yeah, you are watching the Alakia front side view from the main road. This is 100 feet road which leads to the Wipro circle. Yeah, you can see here Golf Edge apartments opposite to this apartments, and beside of that there is a golf view. The view from the flat is superb. Whoever visit this property, then you will see this view from this balcony. This is very prime location to access Wipro circle and Gachibowli flyover and Kajagoda, Rayadurg, Narsingi, Outer Ring Road and airport. Very prime location. You can go to the In-Orbit Mall in few minutes from this place, and all are in very close by to this property. And if you see the schools, DPS is there very close, and Oak Ridge is there very close to this property, less than 2 kilometers. And yes, now you are watching the corridor. There are 3 lifts in this block. One service lift also is there, and this is width of the corridor. This flat is available in 5th floor out of 10 floors and minus 2 level car parking. To this flat we have 2 car parking. This is complete 3 BHK 1665 SFT west facing. Yes, this is the view from your main corridor. This is golf view, and you can see the Golf Edge apartments. This is the main entrance. Once you enter into the flat, you enter into the drawing. This video recorded almost at 6 to 7 p.m. in the evening, but you can see the lighting across flat, it is very good. And view from this drawing and dining and to other bedroom, it is very superb. Yeah, you can see this view from your drawing. This is complete drawing, and inside setback to this property is very huge. This tower C block is inside. This is B block, and C block is other side. A, B, C, 3 blocks are there. This investor did the 3 things extra in this flat. He did copper wiring, and just you need to fit only the inlet and outlet of the AC units. And yes, you are watching this dining and living area. You have a big balcony to the living space, where you will have the very good view towards the golf view. Yes, this is master bedroom entrance, and yeah, this is complete dining and living area. You are watching that sliding complete in the your living area. To understand you the entire drawing, again I am back to that place. to understand the space inside of your drawing area. Interested buyers, please call on below number 9491807979. Whoever are watching this video, if anybody is there to sell your property, also you can consult us. We will help you to sell your property. We are a property consultant, JD Realtors. Please, if you are watching first time this channel, kindly subscribe our channel and encourage us to help more property buyers. Yes, this is the beauty of this flat. This is total minus 2 levels plus 10 floors building. You can see this is the structure, that is C block. We are in B block. Out of 10 we are in 5th floor. You can see this block is inside other than 2 towers. A and C are ahead of this block because inside there is a drop off point. That is advantage this flat, to have a huge space inside community, and other outside of community there is the 100-feet road again, which will have the full view towards the Golf and Gachibowli outer ring road. This is the view inside of your community from your balcony. That is the main entrance into the community. Only 175 apartments, all are 3 BHK. Limited flats and high UDS is yours here. You can see huge greenery from your balcony. No constructions. It is completely greenery. You can enjoy this every day in the morning and evening, sitting in your balcony. Yes, this is the biggest USP to this flat. Please, if you are looking for a property in Gachibowli, very close to the flyover, Kajagoda location, this is the right property to you. Please don't wait. Call on below number 9491807979. This is complete sliding in your living area. Yes, very big balcony. Please call us on below number to visit this property, 9491807979. If any of your family, friends or known people are thinking to sell their property, please pass our number to them. They'll contact us. We will help them to sell their property fastly. And please, if you are watching this video first time, kindly subscribe our channel and like our video and share to the people who are looking for a property. This is very prime location. This property is having almost 57 to 58 square yards. Here the land value is more than 2 lakhs. Recently in Neopolis, government in action sold the property per acre 60 crores. That is the worth of land here. This is brand new flat, but it is in resale. The owner is investor. Please, to visit this property, call us on below number 9491807979. Yes, you are watching your master bedroom now. He did complete fall ceiling in entire the flat, and he did mosquito mesh and grills to the windows, copper wiring for all AC points. Just you need to fit indoor and outdoor units. Very nice community. Alakya did a good maintenance. Now the association took the maintenance. There is a open space is higher side in the community and huge greenery and very decent clubhouse, and all major amenities are available. One like-minded people are there in this community. Definitely the home buyer will be happy in this property. This is wash basin close to your dining area. Yeah, from your dining, this is passage to the kitchen, and there are 2 bedrooms and left and right side. All 3 bedrooms are attached toilets. This is the bedroom with attached toilet. And specs are all high-end specs. You can see Kohler, Toto, sanitary fixtures and doors, locks, switches, wiring, all are reputed brands they used in the construction, and there are no unevens, and in terms of structure is very high quality maintained by the Alekia. You can see the finishings also. Yes, this is your kitchen. It has a big utility which has inside view from your utility. Here in kitchen you will get the 2-side platform. It's a big one only. Please call us on below number to visit this property. And if you are watching first time our channel, please subscribe our channel and share, like our property videos. Please click on the below bell icon to get the notifications. Yeah, this is your utility. Yeah, there is a LPG gas connection. According to your meter you will get the bill. And here power also, that is prepaid power. You need to prepay it. It's not postpaid, it's a prepaid. Before usage you need to recharge your power meter. You will get the 24/7 in terms of the maintenance support from the association maintenance team. This is brand new flat, almost 1 year old property, but this flat belongs to the investor. Right now the investor is available in India. Whoever are interested in this property, please contact us to visit this property and discuss and to buy this property on below number 9491807979. Yes, across the flat good lighting is there and good air, and in terms of privacy also you have good privacy space. Please subscribe to our channel and encourage us to help more property buyers and to the seller also. Please share our videos if anybody you know people searching for a property. In other hand, you are helping to them fill their dream very soon. This is complete 3 BHK with 1 kitchen, drawing, dining and living with 1 balcony. 1665 SFT west facing, available for sale in 5th floor out of 10 floors. Thank you for watching our video.